We need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. We need ginger. Peel off it. Grate it. Take the grated ginger in a saucepan. Add lemon slices. Add 1 glass water. Now boil the mixture on low heat for 10 minutes. Strain it. Add a spoon of coffee. Mix it well. Now it's ready to drink. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 30 days. And you will notice the difference. Especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.